Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you just how to verify card on app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in chase.com/personal/mobile /online /banking /JP Morgan /activate debit card. And once you hit enter, you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Now once you are here, what you need to do is enter in your username and enter in your password and then tap on sign in. And once you hit on sign in, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now track and activate card. Now all you gotta do is just simply scroll down and here on the expiration date, just simply write in or simply fill up your expiration date that is given on the card. And once you are done with that, simply tap on activate card, and that's basically how to verify card on app. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.